NMR, a crypto AI hedge fund for the stock market. And this is a very interesting project, guys. Numerai is a unique AI crypto that powers Numerai. This is a San Francisco-based hedge fund and isn't run by professional stock analysts, but rather relies on NMR tokens holders to make predictions about the stock market. Each week, NMR holders can make predictions about one or more stocks. They can use whatever metrics they want to make a prediction, then submit a ticker symbol and target price to Numerai. And Numerai uses AI to crunch all the predictions from users and make real-world bets on the best one. Users who submit predictions must stake NMR tokens on their prediction. If they are right, they earn newly minted NMR tokens. If they are wrong, they are staked NMR is burned. And in addition, NMR holders can access to the platform's AI prediction models to see what stocks are being bet on and potentially use Numerai to inform their own stock trade. So this is another AI interesting project that is also already working and is related to the stock market.